Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Conversation between teacher and student learning English, beginner's conversation. I'm teacher and your student. Let's start. Good morning. Let's start our English practice today. Can you tell me how to say hello in English? Yes, that's right. Hi is a friendly way to greet someone. Now, how about a more formal greeting? Exactly. Hello is a more formal greeting. Now, could you introduce
Great
yourself
choices.
using
Anything
hello?
to
My
drink?
name is. Great job, Max. Now, can you ask me my name using what's your name? Hello, I'm Misbah. Nice to meet you, Max. Fantastic. Now, Max, let's talk about favorites. What's your favorite color? Wonderful choice. How about asking me about my favorite color?
I like purple.
Now, Max, can you ask me about my favorite food using what's your favorite food? I love pasta. Lastly, let's discuss hobbies. Ask me about my hobby using what's your favorite hobby? I enjoy playing the guitar. You're doing great, Max. Keep practicing and you'll become even better at English. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.